In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Outlook with Teams in just 5 minutes. By the end of this guide, you'll have these two powerful Microsoft platforms seamlessly working together to boost your productivity. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you are logged into your Outlook account. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the Outlook URL, or simply search for Outlook in your browser. Enter your email and password and log in as you normally would. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by your familiar inbox interface. It's always useful to double-check that you are in the right account, especially if you manage multiple email addresses. This will make sure you're linking the correct accounts later on. Now, within your Outlook mailbox, look for the Microsoft Teams icon. This is typically located on the toolbar, alongside other icons you might recognize such as Calendar, People, or Tasks. The Teams icon might have a distinct camera or T-shaped logo. Clicking on this icon will initiate the next step in our integration process. Once you've clicked on the Teams icon, your browser will redirect you to the Microsoft Teams page. This is a crucial step as it helps move from your email communication workspace to the collaborative environment of Teams. If it's your first time linking Outlook with Teams, the page might prompt you with a few introductory tips or setup instructions to enhance your experience. Don't worry if you see these. They're just to help better acclimate you to the Teams interface. Before you proceed further, it's important to ensure that both your Outlook and Teams accounts are using the same credentials. This means the same email address and password should be employed across both platforms. If they aren't matching, you'll encounter issues accessing certain features or might even find yourself logged out of one or both services. Double-checking this now saves a lot of potential headaches down the line. If you do find a mismatch, you might need to update your credentials in one of your accounts to synchronize them. With these steps, you have successfully linked your Outlook with Microsoft Teams. You're now all set to enjoy a more integrated experience between checking emails and collaborating with your colleagues in Teams. This link helps streamline workflows and keeps communication organized in one cohesive environment. Plus, it can enhance how you set meetings, manage tasks, and interact with your team. Feel free to explore further settings in both Outlook and Teams to customize your experience. Whether you're scheduling meetings directly from your Outlook calendar or starting a spontaneous chat from within an email thread, this seamless connection is bound to enhance your productivity and collaboration efforts. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, enjoy your more connected Microsoft experience.